Guys, as you can see, this is 32 millimeter diamond core. So yeah, this is 34, 30, 35 for difference, especially I'm using them for plumbing works on the taps. On the taps, sometimes it's is it on the top, the sink top. This one is 8 millimeter diamond 12 bit, and this one is 10. So yeah, I'm going to drill, and then I will be showing you how powerful is 183 lithium Bosch cordless drill. And then I'm going to start with 8 millimeter to drill on the masonry. Then we'll see how powerful it is. Anyway, this is the first day I'm using this, but let's see how reliable it is. Um, um, this kind of cordless, but it has proved itself that it can do the job, but it's up to you guys to rate it. But I've seen that it's doing the work. So I'm starting with this 80 millimeter, then we'll see how it goes. So let me put in the maximum, and then let's try. Guys, you can see this one is powerful. It even is moving the brake. So yeah, so guys, I'm going to use the 10 as well, but my phone was running out of battery. But I tried. I wanted also to use the core on the same video. It's unfortunate that I couldn't use the core, but I used the core without doing the video. It went well. The core made it easy. So guys, this is